So today, before you leave this session, I promise that you will see breakthrough in all of your finances. Hallelujah. Come on, say hallelujah. Hallelujah. You will see breakthrough in all of your finances. Hallelujah. You will see breakthrough in your businesses. Hallelujah. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you are going to see success. Hallelujah. You are going to see fruit of harvest. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. When the time comes, people will recognize you that, hey, this man before 5 years, this man before 10 years, he's not supposed to eat, but today he is supposed to give. He's something, he's a ruler. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Some of you will get such a highly testified life platforms in the coming days. Hallelujah.